Hello traders everywhere, this is Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub. And we're going to start off looking at Apple. Apple has held extremely well over the 94 level for the last 10 days or so. And I think it looks like it's trying to consolidate to make new highs. And this is what we see in Apple. A couple of things. One is you've got a very strong RSI right here. We're over 50, strong trend going up. You have all of our trade triangles positive 100. You've sort of seen this consolidation period right here, and we've just broken over the parabolic line here, which indicates further strength. I would say we're going to challenge the highs up here, and 100, if you remember, equals 700 in real terms because of the split. But generally speaking, Apple still looks good. The trend is clearly on the upside. All the moving averages are very positive. And we also have an RSI and a MACD all looking very good. So let's move on to our next stock. This is First Solar. And First Solar has basically been moving sideways since actually about April. And it still looks very, very good to us. And let me just explain to you why that still looks positive. First of all, we had a huge outside day. This is a bullish engulfing line right here. This big blue line was confirmed the next day. We moved over a pivot point right here, indicating that we should see this market go higher, at least to the 72, possibly even to the 74 area. But generally speaking, the trend is clearly up. Our trade triangles are all plus 100, plus you're well over the RSI line, indicating a strong trend. So even though we've sort of staggered a little bit today, I still think we'll see this market improve from current levels. Okay, we're looking at Netflix. Netflix actually gave us a signal just a couple of days ago right here on the weeklies on the 11th, and that was at 457.38. You can see that right here. We moved this over here, 457.38. That was a couple of days ago. You can get in at a lower level right now, and it looks as though that would be a good time to get in. We see this market going higher. You can see we're clearly above the RSI 50 line, indicating that a strong trend is in place. So you've got a lot of pluses here. All the triangles are green, as I said, over the RSI line. This looks like it's confirming. I think if we close well today, let's say over the 54 level, will be a very nice close. I think we'll see this market challenge much higher levels than Netflix. Very bullish on Netflix. We think it's the leader, and it's going to continue to be the leader under the guidance of Reed Hastings. So let's see how that plays out. The next market we're looking at is Tesla. We've been very bullish on Tesla, as you may know. And you can see we just made new highs today, and we still think this market can go to the $280 to $300 level. All of our trade triangles are positive, as you can see. We're very overbought right now, but that's not to say we can't stay that way. As you can see right here, we stayed overbought for actually a period of maybe 10 days. So I think we could see maybe a little longer there, but generally speaking, this trend is very strong in Tesla on the upside. We're going to look at the NASDAQ combined because that's really the one that's benefiting from all the strength of some of the internet stocks and some of the new names, the big new old names. And what I mean by that is that these are the names of the future and going to continue to grow and be strong. So here we are, we're at 75. We need the weekly to go up on the composite. We don't have that yet, but it's still trending up. We're over the parabolic line. We just moved over the 50 RSI line, indicating the trend is going higher. But this would be nice to see the red triangle turn green on the weekly, indicating a positive stance and for this market to go higher. Lastly, we're looking at gold. Gold has been a bit of a disappointment. We still have the long-term monthly trend up, but we sort of flattened out. Look at these moving averages, very, very flat. But we are over the RSI 50 line. We do have a monthly trade triangle, and I think if we close well today, I think the highest close we've seen recently was right here at around the 1,316 level. If we close over that, we're about $4 shy of that right now. But if we close over that level, I think that'll be a very, very good sign. One little disappointment today was the fact we moved below the parabolic here, giving a slight indication of weakness, and that was a 3-day low as well. So again, be cautionary on this, but longer term, we still expect this market to do very well until about mid-September. So let's watch out very carefully. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. I hope you enjoyed this quick, in-depth look at some of the markets we're following on MarketClub, and be sure to check out, if you haven't done so already, check out our internet. Be sure to check out our internet portfolio right here, and here you'll find all of the stocks we talked about. This was up 65% last year. It's having a very good year this year, and you can see Facebook, Netflix, Yelp, Yahoo, Amazon. These are the trading rules we follow and so forth. Big, big help for members, but it's updated all the time, so enjoy. I'm Adam Hewison from MarketClub. Have a great trading day, everyone.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.